Kasi sa kalong klamo ko itong kapre-kapre asong ako ti laping junior tundoan, songya tundoan, songya pia tundoan. Kasi pinili itong kacingrum, kupiat hesi itong kacingrum menangan alam itu maju ko menangan di luar setumpen, songya tumpen. Kasi itong pini. Kasi meron bangke 4 September ani song tumpen. Jadi kalau song tu kopi kita stop mat terus kita stop pada masuk ke ni itu kado ko be song pencing wa san terus jadi itu misi komon isi memorandum mati isi join memorandum Amit Shah Home Minister Fansi Panong Kepa Kabangke Chief Minister Awasam Himanta Biswa Sarma Fansi itu Panong lakukan isi bangke kopi sudah CM Kabiang Autonomous Council dapat thong dan kita bangke itu melarang Jadi dapat pajak di bangke ini lah isi bangke Home Minister of India, Amit Shah orang lihat, dapat apa Himanta Biswa Sarma alam di bangke siapa? Nah, plus masih kapten itu sih, nanti tempat tengok. Ini tuh cing wise sampai nak salam di bangke. Kopi sini itu minggu pun rumah, kopi pun sendiri itu minggu pun he rumah langsung kita bangke itu. Sarkar pani itu kopi sih kepacini gimana salam di bangke itu. Nah, pimpura lu mati. Memorandum masih tutup langkah masih. Alam di family itu kecil siapa? Ini tuh masih inter. Kecil macam kira-kira memorandum pakai alam itu non itu dia. Sebenarnya pakai alam tiga kalau alam tiga kompeten cuma di sini loh. Masih siapa ke Amit Shah kalau honorable Home Minister Governor Assam Ministry of Home Affairs North Block New Delhi 1. Langsung situ loh siapa ke a joint memorandum to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Chief Minister Block, Janata Bhawan, Assam Secretariat, Dispur 6 Block, through Deputy Commissioner, Karbi Anglong, Dhup. Kasi nakado wala mga dili, uli kaya po kado wala ang bimang di siya lopot, through Deputy Commissioner, demanding abrogation of certain clauses, particularly clause 2.3. Of the Memorandum of Settlement signed on 4 September 2021 by various organizations based in Karbi Anglong and Karbi Anglong. Copy to Mr. Tuliram Ramhan, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, dated on before the 6th of October 2021. Alam PP Bangalalo, ini tu peklan Bangalalo, ini puri pakai. Sir, at the very outset, with the signatories here and there for and on behalf of our respective organizations, parties, would hereby convey our gratitude to you for facilitating the signing of the Memorandum of Settlement with the 6 armed organizations of Karbi Anglong on September 4, 2021. And we would like to take this opportunity to submit a memorandum as here and there to apprise you of the strong opposition to certain clauses of the MOS by various organizations for favor of your kind information and consideration. Number 1, the accord has been greeted with widespread opposition from the Hill people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. While we, along with the Hill people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, congratulate and welcome the leaders and cadres of the 6 armed organizations, namely the KNLF, the PDCK, the QPLF, and KPLT ceasefire group, and KPLTR, and the KPLTN, on their abjuring violence and join mainstream of society. We hereby register our strong opposition to certain clauses incorporated in the MOS signed with the armed organizations on September 4, 2021. The Hill people of this particular hills area of Assam, the major stakeholders have been organizing peacefully, sit-in demonstration, protest demonstration, etc. against the accord under the banner of various organizations since making the MOS public. The feeling of the Hill people therefore should be taken into serious consideration. Number 2, autonomous statehood is the final, comprehensive and acceptable solution. The MOS cannot be accepted as comprehensive and final solution. In the preamble of the MOS, it has been agreed that the government of India and the government of Assam have made persistent efforts in the past to fulfill the legitimate aspirations of the Karbi people, which led to devolution of autonomy to Karbi Anglong and Autonomous Council. Notwithstanding these initiatives, organizations representing the Karbi people continue to demand for creation of autonomous state under Article 244A of the Constitution. In an effort to find a comprehensive and final solution to the issue, several rounds of tripartite talk discussions were recently held in the leaders of Karbi armed group as well as elected representatives of Karbi people. But the allied in the MOU and MOS signed 1st April 1995 and 5th October 2010 respectively, the legitimate aspirations of the Hill people have not been fulfilled in the MOS signed on 4th September 2021. Secondly, the process of the tripartite discussion which have led to the signing of the MOS, not all the organizations representing the Karbi people which have been spearheading the ongoing outstanding demand for creation of an autonomous state as provided under Article 244A of the Constitution have been consulted and taken into confidence. In spite of the memorandum submitted on 30 June 2021 requesting him for arranging of an all-party meeting, the CEM-KASC, one of the felicitors in the process of the signing of MOS, has not even felt it necessary to convene all political party meetings on finding an acceptable solution to the issue. The MOS therefore cannot be accepted as a comprehensive and final solution to the long-standing autonomous state issue. Creation of an autonomous state within the state of Assam as provided under Article 244A of the Constitution only can meet the democratic and legitimate aspirations of the Hill people of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. Another thing, we have the right to dissent. We too for peace. We are too for peace, lasting peace to prevail in this particular hills area of Assam. We are not against the MOS in its entirety. We are not against the rehabilitation, general amnesty and developmental packages, but we are in opposing to certain clauses of the MOS, particularly clause 3, which in our humble opinion are prejudicial to the constitutional safeguard provided to Hill tribe for part of the state remaining Hill district, Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Mahasar. The clauses, if implemented, would definitely put the very existence of the Hill people in serious jeopardy in their own homeland. The contrasting views, therefore, should not be viewed as opposition to the MOS in its entirety. Number 4, our demand abrogation of certain clauses including clause 2 from the MOS. It needs no further elaboration that Karbi Anglong in 2016 is one of the 3 specified tribal areas within the state of Assam, and the area has been administered as per provision of the 6th Constitution since its inception in